Hi friends, let me show you these house address plaques that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, I received two versions of the same address. Both are really nice with a black base and an antique brass color for the numbers and letters. Okay, let me show you first this one. This is an acrylic plaque with adhesive strips in the back to install it in any flat surface. Okay, you can also have two screws. It has two holes for screws here, but it's enough with the adhesive if the surface is flat. Okay, the acrylic plaque, it's a little bit smaller than the metal one, as you can see, and this is the metal one. Okay, it also has these holes for installing it with screws, and as you can see, the letters and numbers are a little bit high from the base. It's really clear to read it from far away, and it gives a nice view to any house front. Okay, so we're going to install them and see how they look. Thank you. That's it. As easy as putting a sticker. As you can see, easy to install. This is the metal one, and it will give a nice view to the home.